what this usually goes for $200-300, and we paid under $16. What? So if you want to see how to make your own, LED mirror.
Yep, mirror. We have mirror.
Yep, that's right, Kayla.
Have mirror.
If you want to see how to make your own LED mirror, stay tuned. So the first thing that you're going to need is something to wipe and clean your mirror with, of course. And then you're going to need the LED lights. It's a specialized, I believe the company is called Govee. I got this from Amazon. I'll leave the link below. And then you will need a mirror, whatever existing mirror that you have in your home, these lights can work with. So I'm using a large wall mirror. I don't know the height and length of this mirror. I think it's like, I really don't know. If I told you something, I'd be completely lying. So, yeah, but I know it's large. So I'm cleaning it off, just getting all of my kids' fingerprints off my mirror because they love to touch it. So I'm cleaning that off, getting everything nice and pretty and neat, getting those smudges. So once I'm finished with the mirror, I'm going to go ahead and get the LED lights, and I'm going to go ahead and open up the package. There's a little manual in here. There is instructions, and then it comes with the adapter, the lights, and a remote control. So I got all of that out. So this is absolutely my first time doing this, so I of course made some errors, but I'm going to share with you the errors that I did make so you don't make the same errors. So first thing, be careful with the little tape on the back. It is a sticker. You just have to take off the brown part. The first time when I took off the brown part, I kind of took off the actual sticker. So here I am trying to get it to stick, and it's not sticking because I took off the sticker. So I'm just letting y'all know, be careful with that. It really, if you pull too hard, you will take off the sticker, but you can absolutely just peel off the other side because it's a double stick. You peel off the other side and you can lay it flat back on the strip like I did here. Well, like I'm figuring out to do here and working on and eventually succeeded at. Okay, now that that's over and corrected, I never put the sticker on. This is another thing to do not do. Do not stick it flat on top of the surface. Do not do this. Like I said, it's my first time doing this, and I sticked it flat on the surface, worked my way up to the corner, and I was like, well, how is it gonna turn? But do this. Stick it against the side of the surface. So inside the mirror, stick it there. By sticking it on the side, you will allow it to have an easier time sticking it around the corners. So 5 minutes later, I got all the way around, And I am finally sticking it on all the corners, not flat on the surface. So I am almost through. I'm almost through sticking it on those surfaces. Now when you reach the end and you meet back to your beginnings, all you have to do is cut a piece of the finishing strip. There's a remote control that you can make the lights go brighter or darker, and you can power it on and power it off. It's so cool, y'all. So that's the remote there. There is also an option to stick the remote on the side of the mirror to get the cords out of the way for convenience. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share it, like it, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below. Bye.
Get it, Kayla. Get it, Kayla. Oh, get it. Get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it. Hey.